Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deploy an AI trading strategy bot for absolutely free on a decentralized platform. Now, one of the perks of this lesson is you would learn how to trade AI trading strategies for free using only nothing but your decentralized wallet and nothing more. No KYC required, no extra fee for trading bots. Just plug and play. Now, let's go into the meat of the game. First thing to do is to go to your browser. You can use your browser or you can use Trust Wallet or you can use MetaMask, whichever one you would want to use. Once you go into any of all this platform, go to their browser. Once you go to their browser, input valeries.network and then enter. Once you do that, you'll be welcomed with this page that I'm seeing here. Now that depends on which device you're using. I'm using my phone. On a mobile device, this is what you will see. Then on a desktop, you'll see a little bit different view, a desktop view, where everything is actually spelled out for you. Now, once you are here, you'll be required to, if you are, say, entering the site for the first time and you've not used the platform before, and maybe at some point you'll be required to connect your wallet. That's before you start trading. But for this, I'm already connected. So as you can see here, I'm asked to disconnect. But I can come to wallets, and then you see my wallet. I am already connected to the platform. And I think somewhere on this video, maybe at the top, you see a link that leads you to how you can sync your wallet with the platform. It's actually easier doing this on Trust Wallet or MetaMask or any of all the wallet providers. So without wasting much time, let's go into what we're supposed to do. So to do this, first thing you have to do is just click on the menu. On the desktop, you don't have to just see the market at the top and click on it, but for the mobile, then display the menu and then select market. Once market is selected, on the desktop, you'll see all these well labeled, but for here, this is margin. The first one is just your markets stats. The second one is options. The third one is margins, and then the last one is AI trading strategy. Now, which is this? Now, if you click on it, you scroll down a bit, you'll see your portfolio. That's if your wallet is connected already. You'll see a list of available things that you can do. This is a list of your bots. If your bots are running already, if you have bots running already, rather, and then this is a space for back testing. You can run back test on any of the strategy that you feel like to run back test on, and then see how it yields over time. The next thing we will do will be to come back to strategy. But before we start doing anything, I will show you a little trick that I will be using to trade on this. Now, if you want to learn more expert options on how to trade, either using this AI trading bots or either the margin trading or the options trading, you can indicate or join us on our Telegram channel where we, expose good ideas on how you can trade. Now, let's continue with the video. So the next thing to do will be to open a new tab, and on that tab, go to coinmarketcap.com. I'm sure if you are in crypto, you would know this. You would know this site already. So once you get here, here's what we want to do. If we come back, let's just come back to Valeries. Once we get back to Valeries, if we scroll down here, we'll see different types of AI trading strategy that are already available. So you have the yield aggregator auto, you have the stochastic oscillator Sage, you have social sentiment software, you have liquidation hunter, you have so many. You can scroll down and then go through all the strategies. You can try them. If there's any strategy you already know that works better, you can also use them. But for this video, I'll be concentrating on the social sentiment software. And here's why I will be concentrating on it, because the social sentiment software actually works on trends, news, what is actually trending the most. That is what gives it the most power. Now, people make a lot of mistake on this where they choose the strategy and then allow the bot to trade on everything that is in the market. That is actually a wrong approach. The best way to approach this is to actually select a token that you know is actually trending and then allow your AI strategy to trade on this token or the pair. This helps a whole lot. Now, one thing you have to bear in mind is whenever you're setting up this thing, make sure whichever token you're selecting or choosing must be trending. This is the key part of this video. Just make sure. Anyone who probably just scrolled, did not watch the entire video, may not know this part, but make sure that the token you are selecting is currently trending, and you're going to see what kind of result you get at the end of the day. Now, let's continue. So, the first, we already said that we are going to be using the social sentiment software. So, let's go back to CoinMarketCap. Back to CoinMarketCap. Back at CoinMarketCap, we can see you have the top tokens here at this other side, and then you also have the trending. And just this is most likely what you'll be welcomed with if you're entering CoinMarketCap for the first time, or maybe if you've not used it for a while. So the next thing you have to do is just click on the trending, so it will show you the list of all the trending tokens within the past 24 hours. Just make sure that this timing here is left at 24. Don't make it go beyond, don't let this go beyond 24 hours. Just make sure it is the past 24 hours. Sorry, I don't know why this is. Um, okay, I think I've messed everything up. It should not be okay. Based on market cap, yes, the most trending based on market cap. So with this now, we can see we have a list of tokens. We have Ondo, we have STRK, we have BSB, we have Chip, we have Tron, we have Bill, we have LGNS, we have Hunter, we have Share, and we have Apex USD. Now I'm just going to concentrate on the first 10 alone. Make sure whichever token you're picking does not fall out of the first 10. And also, it's also a wise idea to make sure that you stay within the range of just doing one pair per strategy for now. Then maybe as time goes, maybe you've tested or back tested different pairs, you can then start mixing pairs. So for this video, I'm going to concentrate on the number one only, the Ondo. So we'll come back to Valeris, the network. Once we come back here, we'll scroll down to the social sentiment and click on the deploy. Now, it's going to ask you a few questions to be able to, it's going to have a few requirements to be able to run the bot or deploy the bot properly. So the first thing it will ask you is the token which you are going to take assets from. Now, these AI trading strategies on this platform do not trade on every asset you have in your wallet. It doesn't do that. So it allows you to select what token you wanted to take asset from, and it also allows you to choose what asset or what pairs it will be trading in. Now we'll get to that part very shortly. But let's select first. For this, I'll select BNB because I have a few BNB. At least I have enough BNB for trading with this um, um, bot. Now, so the next thing to do would be to select the allocation. That's what the amount in USDT that or USD that you want the bot to trade with. So for this, I would choose, let's say, $1,000. I'll take $1,000, and $1,000 would be equivalent of 1.544569 BNB. Now, this is the most important part about setting up or deploying your AI bots. Make sure you're not picking this any pair. Click on the selected pair. This is going to allow the AI bot to be more specific as to which token it will be trading on. If you allow it to work on any pair, it's going to take, you're going to pay attention to the highest ones with the tokens with the highest market cap, and this is more likely BTC, Ether, and the rest. Now, some of the times these tokens may not be trending on social media, and if this bot is trading on them, you might just end up losing your trades and all of that. So the best thing to do is select tokens that are trending. This is the reason why we went to CoinMarketCap and then picked Ondo as the token that we will be trading on. So here you just come in here. This is case sensitive. Make sure it's caps lock or like capital letter. I don't know, but I think I have tried one of these bots before, and my bot did not run at all. I did not know the reason why it did not run properly, but I realized that during filling this stuff, I did not put in the caps lock on. So I figured, I thought that was the issue. It was a good thing I didn't lose any money. It's just that my bots did not trade at all. So just make sure it's caps lock. just to make sure I'm not sure that's the reason, but just avoid it. So once you do this, once you've selected this pair, the next thing to do will be to click on the add. Once you add, now you just come down here, scroll down, and then um, tick on this or check this. I understand the disclaimer to enable you submit or deploy your bots. Now, once this is done, the next thing to do will be to click on the deploy. Okay, okay. It says minimum capital for this strategy is $3,000. All right. Okay, so I guess that is where we have problem. We provided $1,000, so I'm going to set $3,000. Don't get worried about this strategy minimum. There are other strategies here that you can even see strategies that go as low as $500 or even more. You can try other strategy, but I guess this social sentiment software doesn't work with anything below 3,000. So once that is selected, once you've selected all of these, the next thing to do will be to click on the deploy bot. Now just give it a few seconds. Okay, check my balance and realize I do have. So it's asking me to confirm and deploy. So I click on deploy, deploying, just give it a few seconds. And as you can see, AI bots deployed successfully. So if I close this and come back here, you see I have one active bot. And so if I come to bots, you see I have my bot running right now. My bot is active. Now I will give this a few hours and then I'll come back to the video. So we would see how much the bot has traded, if it is favoring us or, let's just, we'll check all of that out. So for now, guys, I would pause the video and then come back maybe after, say, 6 to 5 hours and then see what I have gotten. Now, guys, as you can see, this is barely 30 minutes since I ran this on a top trending token. Barely 30 minutes, just barely 30 minutes. And as you can see, if I click on this, let's check on the history of the trading bots. Uh, okay, as you can see, just watch. It has just been hitting successful trade since it started trading on something that is already trending. And the strategy for this bot is specifically for tokens that are trending on social platforms. So what this just means is it is actually performing because this token is trending. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I was trying to explain earlier on at the beginning of the video, where I said you maybe set up a trading strategy and you are trading on the wrong pair. Most of the time, some of the bots do not even give you options to select what pair it should be trading on. But this platform actually allows you to do that, which now makes your bot become more specific and target oriented towards a certain pair. And if you are playing the cards right, you are definitely going to be on the wins. Now, this is just barely 30 minutes since I started running this. Now, this would be my advice to you. If you make your profit, please do always cash out. Do not just wait in for too long. Yes, I'm going to allow this video play a little bit. Maybe, just watch this for, say, the next 15 minutes to 20 minutes and start seeing what my trades will be looking like. If I start seeing a whole lot of bad trades, I'm exiting and then, cashing out my money real clean without stressing myself. So let's just see. I will give this a few more minutes, allow the bot to run for a few more minutes and see how much we can actually extract from this system. This is really amazing. This is so amazing. Wow. This is real quick box in a very short period of time. This has not been up to 30 minutes since I started running this, since I deployed this trading strategy. Let's just watch and see what is going to happen, say, in the next 15 minutes. All right, guys, this is over an hour since we deployed this bot, and so far, this is what we have gotten. Actually, this is a great return. It's over 30% of our capital, and the bot is still running. Just mind you, the bot is still running, and so far, we've just been hitting on success trades so far. And I guess this is mainly because of the trend going on, maybe the news on the particular pair. For now, that's why we're getting these returns. But I think I would want to maybe start ending this bot for now, this strategy for now. Here's one thing you should always carry in mind: have a target. When you don't have a target, that's when you get wrecked in the market. Have a target. Once you hit your target, take your profit. You can reinitialize that same strategy again, maybe on a different token. Every 24 hours, maybe by tomorrow's 24 hours, we might just be having a different pair and topping the trending chart. What you just have to do is to be regular with this, to be consistent with this system. Keep doing this, and every day you just see yourself making a little extra income from trading strategy and AI strategy bots. This is actually a game changer since the invention of AI. AI has actually been trading, and record is showing that AI is actually hitting the best or returning the best results ever recorded in trading history. So, guys, if this video has been helpful, I would leave this to run for a while, maybe run till tomorrow. But this is where I'll be ending this video. If you see this helpful, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on the like button. Also, make some comments. Engage with the community. Say something. I'll always be there in the comment to respond to everyone who asks a question or say something. So until next time, guys, stay safe.